Next.js 14 just came out, and in this video, we're going to go through all the amazing updates that have been made to Next.js. This video is from the Next.js team, their announcement. They're about to announce all the awesome changes made to Next.js 14.
You've entrusted us to build App Router to the maximum level of quality possible. So today, I'm happy to announce Next.js 14. And guess what? Next.js 14 comes with no new APIs.
And there you have it. There are all the awesome updates to Next.js 14 that makes it so different than Next.js 13. In addition to learning about all these amazing updates, there was something else admitted in this conference that I just wanted to show you guys that a lot of people have kind of noticed.
So last but not least, I want to give a shout out to the visionaries, the risk takers, the ones who dared to go deeper. You know who I'm talking about. PHP, they had it right all along. More server, simpler programming model, the OG serverless. You deserve your accolades. Love you, PHP.
So those are the updates for Next.js 14. Nothing is the update, so it's not a new thing. And we learned that everyone was right. Next.js is trying to become PHP. Deja vu is real. We are returning to the programming language of decades ago, PHP, what Facebook was built on. Joking aside, into the future, rather than making updates to how the framework of Next.js works, it seems like hopefully Next.js is kind of set on the new way of building apps. It seems like the focus of Next.js Vercel has been to switch from changing the framework to building stuff on top of the framework. So for example, if you go to Vercel's website and look at all their products, you'll notice they're starting to build a lot of stuff on top of Next.js. That's pretty cool. One of the really big things is storage. You now can connect a database directly into the code. They've made that super simple. Just for example, if you click on this Postgres, all you have to do is install @vercel/Postgres. And then the way you use your Postgres server from there on out is you import SQL from Vercel/Postgres, and you can write your database query directly in the code. Now that Next.js is a server-side first framework. Before all the changes that happened in Next.js 13, you wouldn't be able to do this because Next.js was more of a front-end framework, but now they've gone all in with server side. And so you can do some cool stuff like this. So in addition to making it really easy to create an app and push it up to Vercel, make the changes instantly, you now can really easily add in things like a database. That's something new that you don't really have to think about with Next.js. They've also added in things like analytics, different security products. One of the really big things that Vercel has really been focused on a lot lately is AI. You can now go to sdk.vercel.ai/docs to find out just how easy it is to integrate AI into your apps. If you go to their getting started guide, it shows once you create a Next app, you can install AI and OpenAI, put in your .env file an OpenAI API key that you can get from OpenAI, and then they make it as easy as this to create an AI chatbot that will look something like this, and it'll work. Are you working? This runs on ChatGPT, so you basically can create your own ChatGPT instantly, and it's as simple as copying this code into an app. So that was a really brief overview of Next.js 14. Nothing has really changed. The big updates really are all the new things that they're building on top of Next.js. It seems like the focus has moved away from upgrading the framework toward building cool things on top of the framework. Going into the future, I wouldn't be surprised if they just keep focusing on making programming simpler and simpler, adding more and more features to the Next.js framework. And it seems like they're really focused on AI too. They want to make sure that they're the go-to solution for creating AI products. So if you're interested in AI, it's probably a good idea to learn Next.js. If you don't currently know Next.js, I created a Next.js crash course you can watch. It should show up on the screen right here. And before I end the video, I just wanted to let you know about nextchat.ai. AI. Next.ai works just like ChatGPT. It's actually powered by ChatGPT. The big difference is that it keeps your data safe. It's basically like the DuckDuckGo of ChatGPT. ChatGPT does not keep a record of your conversations or prompts. It does this in a really cool way. The way it does it is NextChat.ai doesn't keep track of conversations at all. All your conversation data and your prompts are saved directly to your computer, directly to your device. So NextChat could not even see your data if it wanted to, because it never gets sent to their servers. It only stays on your computer. I personally use NextChat.ai when I'm working at my job, because I'm working with a lot of data that my clients wouldn't want to be shared with OpenAI. And so NextChat.ai is my go-to solution to have a truly actual secure solution to use at work. In addition to the extra security, there's a bunch of extra organizational features that are missing from OpenAI's ChatGPT. You can create conversation folders to save your conversations inside of. This is super helpful for me personally when I'm working on a new project. I like to save all the conversations for that project in a folder. And you also can search through your old conversations. So say I was using an Nginx server, I can look through all my conversations I had about Nginx, which is super, super helpful. If I was working on a bug in the past and I forgot the solution, I can just come here and look up the conversation I was having and find the solution. There's also something called a prompt library over here. You can create prompts, save them here, and then all you have to do is / to get to the prompt. So I created a prompt for OpenAI function calling, for example. It teaches this conversation how function calling works, so that then if I want to create a function call in the future, it will help me do that. So that's nextchat.ai. I encourage you to go check them out. Let us know in the comments below what you think about Next.js 14, their new direction. Do you like that they're not making any more changes, or do you wish they would change things about Next.js? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.